Did you know that butterflies were originally called flutterbugs? Unknown to many, insects make up 95% of the animals worldwide. Sentosa has created a habitat for these creatures in Singapore's urban jungle. The island resort entertains millions of visitors 365 days a year. Sentosa boasts long stretches of white sandy beaches, forested greenery and tranquil clear water. The lush surroundings of the butterfly park and insect kingdom is home to a wide range of butterflies and insects. It is one of the few places in Singapore that provide a friendly environment for them to thrive. This insect haven recreates the natural environment needed for these insects to procreate. Park curators care for these exquisite creatures, providing a learning platform for visitors. Jason Santiago Magat is one of the curators at the Butterfly Park and Insect Kingdom.
At Butterfly Park, they have 4 different actions they do. They have what they call basking, they have mating, they have poddling and nectaring. Best thing we can see here at Butterfly Park is when a butterfly is mating. What's beautiful about butterflies is they are like humans. They have what we call courtship. Mating session for butterflies will actually last for about 2 days to 3 days. So the next behavior is actually nectaring. You will see butterflies now actually eating nectar from the flowers. Few of them might be eating bananas. So before we put the banana here, we let it rot. Butterflies will surely come, especially if I put honey water in it.
In the wild, butterflies live about 3 to 6 weeks. However, in the butterfly park, their lifespan is only 2 to 3 weeks. Living up to a month would be a miracle. With the limited space, the park can hold up to 30 species of butterflies. Increasing the number will only lead to competition for food and host plants for them to lay eggs.
Butterfly will lay its egg on a lime tree. So once a butterfly lays the egg, it will turn into our caterpillar in 2 weeks' time. In 1 week time, they will become a pupa or a chrysalis. In a chrysalis, you will see the same traits of a caterpillar. This spikes is actually the thing that protects the butterfly against predators like birds and other insects. In Butterfly Park, we get these pupas from other countries like Philippines, Malaysia, and Indonesia. They come here twice a week. Out of 10 pupas, 2 of them will die.
The fight for survival for these angels of the garden is no easy task. Predators such as spiders, lizards, and ants are positioned above butterflies in the food chain. As painful as it may be to watch, a curator's job is to balance nature and not to meddle with it. Once or twice a month, a shipment arrives for the insect kingdom. Rhino beetles, stick insects, leaf insects, and forest scorpions make up the bulk of the insects imported. Scorpions breed in abundance and live on a diet of crickets. Females give birth to their young and carry them on their back for about a month. In contrast, the rhino beetle spends years in the larvae stage underground and only 3 months in the adult stage. What is the method to sustaining such a conducive home?
So here at Butterfly Park, what we do is we just mimic the environment they have into, especially for the leaf insect. Giving them the ice cubes every morning, afternoon, and before we go home is actually a good thing for them to extend their life here at Singapore. So stick insect, they have only very short lifespan. So stick insect and leaf insect only lives for around 2 months to 3 months, but the eggs will hatch out after 6 months. So we need to take care of them, give them the food they need, the environment for them to breed in. We will not be having troubles of seeing another insect being extinct. Without these insects, no animals again, we need our food. It will just turn back against us.
Caring for these insects in this man-made enclosure requires passion. The enthusiasm of the curators creates a unique habitat where people get to observe the insects from a personal perspective. Sentosa has preserved a sanctuary for nature to grow. The Butterfly Park and Insect Kingdom have proved that it is possible for us to coexist with wildlife. Balancing nature and human development is the key to prolonging our survivals.